Commercial buildings have areas that are impossible to keep smelling fresh, like restrooms, trash compactors, or busy hallways. You're always going around replacing ineffective air fresheners instead of using something like the Fragrance Factory.
This is the simple, powerful fan-based system that eliminates odors in smaller, critical areas. The beauty of the Fragrance Factory is its simplicity. It's a sleek, quiet fan system that works by dispersing a gel fragrance. There are no messy liquids, no aerosols, and no complicated settings. Just mount it, insert the cup, and let it work. The fan is engineered to provide superior area coverage, and the long-lasting gel delivers consistent odor neutralization for up to 30 days. That means fewer service calls for your team and guaranteed freshness for your guests and employees. Stop wasting time and money on temporary fixes. Get the reliable air care you need. If you're ready to keep your facility smelling nice, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out the Fragrance Factory and more.